Inspired by one of my favourite holiday destinations, I'm barbecuing a fabulous fish dish. Nice to have you with us on the Barbecue Walk of Flame. On my Weber Q, I'm cooking my version of a dish I had whilst on holiday in Greece. There's prawns, salmon, red onion, baby tomatoes, kalamata olives, and a splash of garlic infused oil. The flavour is unbelievable from a dish cooked in such a simple way. My tongue's tingling already. So it's outdoors and get cooking.
First, I'm making my favourite side to go with the fish. Baby potatoes, halved, splashed in oil, seasoned with a grind of salt, swirled around and chucked onto the hot barbecue. They will cook in about 15 to 20 minutes. Now for the fish.
First, I'm slicing a red onion very thinly. This dish cooks in 10 to 15 minutes. So to ensure that the onion is soft, the slices need to be thin.
Add the onion to a large bowl. Next to go in, a 250 gram pack of mixed cherry vine tomatoes, followed by 40 grams of pitted kalamata olives. Now for the fish. 165 grams of extra large raw king prawns. I'm cutting a salmon fillet into chunks, and that goes in. And finally, 2 tablespoons of garlic infused olive oil. Give it all a swirl to make sure it's all coated. When I had a similar dish in Greece, it came in a foil parcel, but I'm making good use of these Weber drip trays. Cover the top with a sheet of foil, making sure there's a good seal all round. My potatoes are off the grill and onto the warming rack. On goes the fish. I'm cooking it for 10 minutes. It may have to go back on if the prawns are not pink. And while it's cooking, there's parsley to chop. Let's get it off the grill and see if it's done. The prawns are pink and it all looks done to me. Finish off with a sprinkling of parsley. With everything cooked, it's time to plate up. Or should I say, dish up. It really is a shame you can't smell this, as it does smell good. I can't wait to get it into my mouth. And there it is, my Greek-style barbecued fish with a few baby roast potatoes.
If you'd like to know more about this dish, or indeed cooking on my Weber Q, all you have to do is click that button. Don't forget to activate and ding the bell, and leave your comments in the comments box below. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And that's a promise. Now, here's the recipe recap. I just can't wait any longer. These prawns are tender and juicy. And when the flavours hit my taste buds, I'm transported to blue dome churches, narrow streets of whitewashed villages, fishing boats bobbing in the harbour, and an abundance of ancient monuments. A place where food is simple and delicious. If you've enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up. And if, like me, you're a confirmed foodie, then sub the channel. You won't be disappointed. Well, that's all for this time. Join me next time and see what's cooking on my Weber Q. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, the dude with the food, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.